make some popcorn. I'm gonna make some popcorn. And, yep, typical popcorn. Mini bag though. Okay, as you can see, open it up. Open it up. No, nothing there. And we're gonna pop it in this microwave. This sharp carousel. It's 1100 watts, you know, it's a typical microwave. Nothing fancy, except it is very creepy when it does. It likes to do funky stuff when it's making popcorn. Don't know why, but this only happened like a few months ago. This happened not too long ago, but it's fried itself. Creepy. So go ahead and turn off the light so you can see better. Okay. We're gonna go ahead and hit the go ahead and hit the minute button, the minute plus button. After closing the door. There you go. 59 seconds. Now, watch. We're just making popcorn. Look at doing this freaky stuff. Maybe I shouldn't stand so close, but... And as you can see, the popcorn's still popping. Everything still works. Smells good. Oh, look, it's done. So, there we go. I can't see. The popcorn is very hot. I don't know what's going on, but that was how I make popcorn. Everything still works. And now, to enjoy popcorn. So, the insane sharp carousel lives to tell cook another bag. Just another reason microwaves are cool. And they say not to stick metal in the microwave. I'd rather stick metal in the microwave than microwave popcorn. But heck, what do I?